Welcome to Drawlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable safe mode in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. So at first just swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this power icon, and here you can see power off icon. You have to just touch and hold on the power off icon, then tap on safe mode option. Now the phone will take restart to enable safe mode, so just give it a moment. And the restart is complete. Now just unlock your phone and you can see safe mode has been enabled successfully, and that's it. Now if you want to disable your safe mode, just swipe down and then tap here to turn off safe mode, then tap on turn off. Now the phone will take restart again to disable safe mode, so just give it a moment again. You can see it's taking restart and the restart is complete. Now just unlock your phone. Now just swipe down and disable flight mode from here, and it's complete. And that is how you can enable or disable safe mode in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.